Okay guys, this is literally like my third time trying to film this. I am at work, but the lighting is really good, so I'm like, let me hurry up and try to do it. So I got a flip over method unit from Tresses. On the unit, it was her raw Cambodian wavy curly hair. I don't know how many bundles she used, but she said she used 9 ounces. And bundles vary, but she said she used 9 ounces. This hair is very, very full. It's 15 inches in length. When I first got it in the package, it was really tight, kind of like a Shirley Temple curl. So really tight, really short. And I've gotten curly hair like that before, and that may just be how it dried. So I co-washed it myself and kind of made sure it dried elongated. And it came out perfect, really pretty. It's not silky hair. When it first came, I was nervous because it looked kind of silky. This is not silky hair. It does have some texture to it. I would say it's like a slightly coarse. I wouldn't say it's a medium coarse. I'd say slightly coarse in texture, with a medium luster, but you can make it a high luster if you put some product in it. I didn't put any product on this hair. I just co-washed it with Dove Intensive Repair Conditioner, and this is not fresh. I co-washed it Sunday. Today's Wednesday, so this is how it's wearing throughout the week. It's just getting a little more bushier, just a little more natural looking. A couple days ago it looked a little more silky. I will come back and do an update showing you guys how it looks freshly co-washed, you know, so you can see how the curls look fresh. But it's really beautiful hair. It's a flip over method unit, so I just left out a tiny bit of hair, enough to cover the wefts. And I'm doing the half up, half down method. I'm switching between ponytails and buns. I bought it to do a half up, half down method. I don't plan on doing the fake part flip over method. I bought it for this. I'm happy with it. No tangling at all. Some snags in the back, which is normal with curly hair. Easily can get it out with your fingers. Shedding is normal. It's not too much, but you do get some shedding. With any curly hair, you will get shedding. I love the fact that I don't get the annoying shedding. I don't look over and see just hair coming out on my sleeves, on my back, just hair coming from the bottom of the hair. I do not get that. So that is a really big plus. I do not get that kind of shedding, which is like golden to me. I would say if anyone's looking to try her wefted hair or even buy a unit from her, please just give her a try. It's quality, quality, quality. I've been like drooling over her raw curly hair for a long time, but her processing time is really long. Her processing time on average is 7 to 21 business days for weft hair, 28 business days to buy a unit from her. That is kind of longer than I'm willing to wait. I typically, when I need hair, I need it now. So I'm not really willing to wait. Since I have this hair, I may purchase another unit or another weft hair and just wait since I have this unit already. But still, I'm just not one to be that patient. So if you're going to order from her, please be patient, because she does clearly put it on her site. This was a ready to ship unit, so I bought it maybe like a day or two later it shipped, and I got it a day or two later after that. And me and her aren't really close states, so she shipped it priority mail. Didn't have any issues getting it, any issues with the package. It was packaged nicely, smelled really good. Only reason I co-washed it is because I wanted the curls to drop a little more and not be so tight. I'm just really happy with the construction. It's really flat. My braids underneath here are not really flat. That's why I feel it. But other than that, you don't really feel the wefts. It fits really snug. I did add an elastic band, and I did pay to add combs. So that may help why it fits so like perfect. Overall, I'm happy so far. Like I said, I will come back and do an update. But just to recap, this is the Tresses raw Cambodian wavy curly hair, 15 inches in length. 9 ounces in total on the unit. This is a flip over method unit, which means you do have to leave a little bit of hair out. You can do a kind of like a faux part and flip it to the left, flip it to the right, or you can kind of flip it back and do half up, half down like I'm doing. It's really easy, but you do have to have a little leave out. This was a ready to ship unit, so I only waited a day or two before it shipped out and a day or two to get it. On average, her processing time can vary. On average for her units, 28 business days, and for her wefts on her site it says 7 to 21 business days. I get average shedding. All curly hair sheds. It does not shed excessive. I do not get shedding to where the hair just comes out and it's on my sleeve and on my shirt. That does not happen, which is really, really good. No tangling. A few snags in the back. That's it. I use Dove Intensive Repair line for shampoo and conditioner, and it works really well. But if y'all have any questions, please let me know below. But I'm really happy with the purchase. The fit is perfect. This is literally the first time I've ever bought a unit online from someone and had it fit this good. But previously I bought closure units, so I can't really compare it too much, but I would definitely purchase from her again. If y'all have any questions, just leave them below.